go.
B-I-N-D-O, B-I-N-D-O,
Yay!
Papa.
Tell me your favorite food.
B-I-N-G-O.
B-I-N-G-O is your favorite food?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your friend's name? Christy or Tristan? Tristy.
No, Tristan.
Tristan. How about Kai?
Kaiki.
Kaiki? Are you making up their names a little bit?
And Sophie.
And Sophie?
And Katie.
You've got milky dripped on your chin. Oh, there, yeah, okay. Okay.
I see myself into it.
You want to see yourself again? Say bye, everybody. Bye, family.
Bye, family.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Look at the camera and say I love you.